Hello everyone, we're back with another good question. Pause the video now and comment your answer before I show the solution. Let's take a quick look at our question. Let's start solving the problem from the beginning. 10 minus 4 equals 6. 10 minus 4 equals 6. Now let's do the multiplication. 6 times 6 equals 36. If you solved it this way, you made a mistake because we didn't pay attention to the order of operations. We code the order of operations as PEMDAS. P stands for parentheses or brackets. A stands for exponents. M stands for multiplication. D stands for division. A stands for addition. S stands for subtraction. We have one more feature here. There's no order between multiplication and division. Operations are performed from left to right. Similarly, there's no order between addition and subtraction operations are performed from left to right. Now, let's solve it again following the rule. First, the expression inside the parentheses is done. 10 minus 4 equals 6. Now there is subtraction and multiplication. In the order, multiplication is done first. 4 times 6 equals 24. Subtraction is done last. 10 minus 24 equals negative 12. The correct answer is negative 12. We did both the incorrect and the correct solution together. And we learned the rule. I hope you understand. We reached the end of our video. Now solve the question on the screen. Write your answer in the comments. Let's see if you can find the correct answer. Subscribe from the logo on the screen for new videos. You can check out other videos from the boxes next to it. See you in the next video.